Money transfer apps lets you transfer money quickly, safely, and conveniently without having any issues. And with the numerous money transfer apps in the world right now, with some very popular ones like PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, and Cash App, you can choose from this large list and get which one favors you more. Well, without any more waste of time, we will get started with our video proper. Well, have you ever heard of PayPal savings account? In this video, we will be telling you more about PayPal savings account and how it works. PayPal Savings is an option offered by PayPal to function like a high-yield savings account directly within their platform. But what you should know is that PayPal Savings is not a bank due to its saving features. They only link with Synchrony Bank to offer this service to you. Well, some other things you should are as follows. 1. Earning interest rate. As of today, April 13, 2024, PayPal Savings offers a competitive 4.3% APY, annual percentage yield. 2. No minimums or fees. There's no minimum balance required to open a PayPal Savings account, and there are no monthly fees to worry about. 3. Management. You can easily manage your PayPal Savings account directly through the PayPal website or app. 4. Funding. You can add money to your PayPal Savings account from your existing PayPal balance, a linked Visa or MasterCard debit card, or a confirmed bank account. However, PayPal Savings currently available only for users in the United States and for personal accounts only. Business accounts cannot open a PayPal Savings account. Well, these are the main things to know about PayPal Savings. But you want to have a PayPal Savings account today, I guess. Just follow the link we have given in the description below to get through our written article on how to open a PayPal Savings account. Or you just quickly subscribe, since in our next video, we will be talking about how to get a PayPal Savings account.